This video is an eBay inventory storage video. I will show you a space that I am now very proud of under the stairs that I utilize to store some of my eBay inventory. Now, it was a mess before, but I think I've cleaned it up pretty well. Stick around to the end of the video to see the before photo. Here I have neatly organized puzzles that are for sale. There are Build-A-Bear there. There's little pet shop toys. There's my coffee mugs and cups. So for the mugs and cup box, I used a Dell laptop computer box, and my husband made dividers in those boxes. So each of the mugs are separated in their own little square space. And then on the outside of each box, I labeled the box, whether it be mugs or cup. Then in my handy dandy spreadsheet, I have whether the item is stored in the mug box or the cup box. Do you call it a coffee mug or do you call it a coffee cup? My husband and I have this great debate about, is it a mug or is it a cup? I think it's a coffee mug. What do y'all think? Leave a comment below, mug or cup. When listing mugs, I do include both keywords. I will include teacup and coffee mug, just to make sure my bases are covered when a user searches for those items. There's Kohl's Cares for Kids plush, and then those three boxes down there are some shipping supplies, including, gosh, what do they call those? Those little puffy foam things you put in packages? I can't think of that. They're all confined in those boxes right there. So those foam puffy things, I believe they call them popcorn. It's that popcorn filler that you can use in packages. My husband and I went to the recycling center and picked up a box of those, as well as the paper that you see there that we can use to wrap mugs or cups in, as well as filler in other packages. So if you need some packing material, check your local recycling center. We get all this packing material for free. So this is a little bit more organized. It took a while to do, but I'm very proud of this space now. You should have seen the before picture, and maybe I'll pop that up here. You would not believe it. I was so embarrassed. So as promised, here is a before photo of that space. You can see I've got packing supplies all over. I've got, those are called peanuts in that box there. And the coffee mugs were in the cardboard box and that blue tub. Now the clear tub had some items that I did list for sale, including vintage electronics. They were HP keyboards and speakers, and they have since sold. So you can catch those in one of my What Sold videos, and I will link that here. But yeah, so how about you give this video a thumbs up if you like the new and improved space under the stairs. The baskets that you see, as well as the plastic containers with the drawers, were all thrifted from the local Goodwill here. So I got them at a very great price and saved them from the landfill. The baskets were just 50 cents each, and that plastic tub there was just $4. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes look at my eBay inventory storage. Here's a small video that I shot of the transformation in progress. My husband and I like to call it Operation Organization. With some additional thrift store finds and selling the Ray Dunn bread basket, I've made a little bit more space on these shelves, and I just love the look of it now. If you like this incredible transformation, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, which tells me you like to see this kind of video, and I will make more content soon. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. How about dropping a comment of a coffee cup in the comments below, so I know that you've made it till the end. I will link another What Sold video here. If you'd like to become a fan of Piece of Scrap, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and while you're at it, pound the notification bell to be notified of my next video. Thanks again for watching.